Umongameli weli umnumzana Cyril Ramaphosa ubhengeze uNjengele Fannie Masemola njengomkomishinala omtsha wamapolisa ngalemvakwemini. Nongena ezihlangwini zika-Njengele Kehla Sitole. Umongameli Ramaphosa uthi ukuchongwa komkomishinala omtsha kukuqinisekisa ukuba kubakho uzinzo nocwangco kweli njengoko oku kulikhubalo kuhlumo loqoqosho kwakunye nokudalwa kwamathuba emisebenzi.
I now wish to introduce a person who I believe is fit and proper to become the new National Commissioner of Police, and that is General Sehlahle Fannie Masemola as our new Commissioner of Police. Come forward, General. Minister. General Masemola has been a Deputy Police Commissioner with an outstanding record of achievements in policing across South Africa. This includes helping with the de-escalation of violence in KwaZulu-Natal after our first democratic elections, where he was stationed. General Masemola also brings to this position his experience in drastically reducing cash-in-transit crimes in the period around 2016. General Masemola played a leading role in coordinating security for all elections that we have held since and including 1994.